In this video, I will show you how you can enable or disable auto spelling on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to enable auto spelling on your Samsung phone, first of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Under the General Management settings, just tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now over here, you will find the option for Auto Spell Check. Now to enable auto spelling, just enable this toggle for the language of your keyboard. Now in our case, it is English, so I'll enable this toggle. Now if I go to the home screen and if I start typing using my keyboard, our keyboard will automatically highlight the words which we have spelled wrong. Just like that. Now to disable auto spelling on your Samsung phone, just go back to settings. And over here, just tap on auto spell check. Now just make sure you disable this toggle. And after you disable this toggle, you'll disable the auto spell check feature from the keyboard of your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.